guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Knowledge Life. So friends, let us we continue our previous lecture. We Today we have to do the question number 4 as the question number 4. Okay friends, let's us make it on our board and study how to solve it. So friends, this is our figure as shown in the book. This is our figure. And friends, in this figure we have two 90-degree angles. One is at the line A, B, and second is at the line B, C at here. So friends, today we are going to solve this equation by applying the formula of Pythagoras. So let us see the question. What is the question? So friends, this is our question. According to this question, that AD means this line is of 13 centimeters. The length of this particular line is 13 centimeters, and DC means this line, the length of this line is 12 centimeters. And according to question, this line BC, the length of BC is 3 centimeters, and we have to find the length of AD means this, sorry, AB, this line. We have to find the length of AB. So let us solve the question friends. To solve this, इसे सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले इस ट्रायंगल को, दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट दिस ट्रायंगल, दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व BD. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू गेट BD. हमें BD पहले निकालना होगा. चलिए अप्लाई करते हैं फॉर्मूला बाय पाइथागोरस. By Pythagoras, h square, equals to p square plus b square. So it is our formula. So first let us take the h. Then what is the h? BD is the h, because always remember that hypotenuse means h comes against to at the against of perpendicular, means h hypotenuse हमेशा ही परपेंडिकुलर के सामने आता है, और इसमें परपेंडिकुलर BC है क्योंकि इस लाइन पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है, इसलिए ये P हो गया, ये H हो गया, ये B हो गया. सो आर H इज BD square, our P is BC square plus our B is DC square. So P equals to BC square and B equals to DC square and H equals to BD square. So we didn't have the H means hypotenuse, so it will remain constant. So let us solve. BD square equals to 3 square plus 12 square. So this is our equation. So let us solve almost. BD square equals to 9 plus 144, because square of 12 is 144 and square of 9 is 3. 3 3 9, 12 12, 144. So BD square equals, so BD will be 153, and if we convert it we will get a number with decimal like 12.0367, or we say like 64.03. okay, like this we will get the answer in decimals. This was not the correct answer for decimal, but we will get the answer like that. But we can't apply that answer because we still have to find the length AB. So what will we do? What will we do? So let us me show you friends how will we do this sum more accurately. So friends, to prove that our answer and to do the sum perfectly, so we will put the BD as directly 153. We will not convert it by scaling formula, but we will put is as it is on the formula. So again, h square equals to p square plus b square. So now we have to find one this one triangle we have to find. Okay, this region ABD. Okay, so according to this, our H is AD square equals to AB square plus BD square. Okay, this is our equation formula like, and AD is 13 square. AB will remain same because we didn't have AB and we have to find it, plus BD will be 153. We will not put it as a square. Okay, we will not put it square because we have to find the answer. So here you can also erase the square, it's your option, but still we have to continue this way as it is. We didn't have to put the square. So 13 square equals to 169 equals to AB square plus 153. Now we will take this 153 by crossing the bridge here, and we will get 169 minus 153 equals to AB square. So our answer will be 16 equals to AB square, and now we will convert it into the square form. So to convert it, it will be AB square equals to 16 square, oh, sorry 4 square, because 4 equals to 16. So our answer will be AB equals to 4 centimeters. So our answer is 4 centimeters. Let us check at the back side of the book. So let's go. Okay, this is our book. We are going at the page so this is our page. This is exercise 13a. Let us see the answer. Yes, this is question 4 and our answer is 4 centimeters, and here our answer is also coming 4 centimeters. So our answer is correct. So AB will be 4 centimeters. It will remain 153. Okay, okay friends, let us move to our another question. So friends, our next question is, हमारा अगला क्वेश्चन है fifth. AD is drawn perpendicular to base BC of an equilateral triangle ABC, given BC equals to 10 centimeters. Find the length of AD correct to one place of decimal. So come on friends, चलिए देखते हैं इसे कैसे सॉल्व करें. So friends, here first we will draw a triangle which will be equilateral triangle. So let us draw it. So friends, this is our equilateral triangle. According to the question, BC is 10 centimeters. BC is 10 centimeters. So let us mark like A, B, C. So according to the question, BC means this line is 10 centimeters. Length of this line is 10 centimeters. And find AD. So here we will draw a line from A to the bottom base. So this point will be D. So this line is AD. So because of this line, this BD will be 5 centimeters and DC will also be 5 centimeters, because 10 10 half they are divided because they are equilateral, so this will be 5 5, and because it is 5 5, the AB will also be 10 centimeters, because it is a equilateral triangle, and this will also remain same 10 centimeters. So here we will have to calculate this AD. So we can take any portion, like you can take this portion also or this portion also, because this is our equilateral triangle. It will also be 10 centimeters. It is 10 centimeters, and this is also a 10 centimeter point. So let us make the equation by Pythagoras. Okay, but we will apply this Pythagoras formula, but before that we have to apply another formula to make it simplifies. So for that, AD is 1 to BC, because here in the question this is at one place of decimal. So AD is 1 to BC, so we will write BD equals to 1 by 2 into BC, as the formula of triangle half into base into height. So this will be BC. So it will 1 by 2 into 10 equals to 5, right? 2 cancelling, 2 5 into 5 centimeters. So it will remain 5. To prove it, we have written this to prove that the side is 5 centimeters, because you can't write directly that this is 5 centimeters. You have to show, and you have to put this formula, or you have to show this by solving. So let us make the equation by Pythagoras. H square equals to p square plus b square. So according to the formula, that, let us take this side. Okay, like AD, BD and DA. Oh sorry, AB, AD, BD and AB. So this is our triangle. So A and D is perpendicular, because here is a 90-degree angle. So this is our perpendicular, this is our hypotenuse, and this is our base. So let us apply the formula. So according to the question, H equals to 10 square equals to AD square plus 5. I am not writing the here's sides. You can write, but I am not writing for faster. So 100 10 10 equals to 100. AD square plus 25. So we will bring it here. So 100 minus 25 equals to AD square. So 100 minus 25, then minus 25 equals to AD square equals to 75. So we will convert it, but it is somewhere difficult, so we will apply like a simple form like this. AD equals to root 75. So our AD equals to root 5 into 2 into 3, oh sorry, 5 into 5 into 3. So our answer will be AD equals to 5 into root 3. So the answer will be AD equals to 5 into 1.7, means AD equals to 8.5 centimeters. Divided, multiply these, so we will get the answer 8.5 centimeters. So our AD is 8.5 centimeters. Let us check the answer at the back side of the book. So here our book, and wait a second, yes, here our page, the exercise 13a. I will zoom it. Yes. So question 5, answer 8.7 centimeters. And here are, oh sorry, by mistake, here is also a 8.7 centimeters. So our answer is correct. Okay friends, let us move to our next question.